Welcome back to a new video. So here I'm going to discuss about an application called OneNote. So here you can see that uh, this OneNote application, which you can use as a professional way to document your notes or your assignments, all those things. So this can be used by as a teacher or a student or those who are going to write down their day-to-day work in a professional way, then you can use. It's a best tool for a tutorial sections. Okay, so those who are searching this OneNote, in some systems this will be inbuilt in your system itself. So if you search in your system itself, this OneNote application will be there. Otherwise you can go to visit this OneNote site and download from there. So that's all about this OneNote application. So actually this is a professional tool which you can use to note down your notes or your assignments, all those things. So let's move on to the our video sections or the tutorial sections. So here, this is the interface related with this application. So here you can clearly see what are the options as file, home, or as we see in all those other Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, all those similar things or same format, this home option, insert, draw, history, all those options are there. So as you know that, or as we know that, here we are going to give means while taking some classes. If as an example, I will show you. This is an example which I created here. So if you are giving some tutorial sections, you can, so let us take an example. So here you can see that is an example of set. So I created here some sections related to sets and Venn diagram, like that. So here in the top you can see you can create different sections with different topics. Under different topics you can create uh, means if you are taking some examples or take an example, if you are discussing about set means some topic, there will be some subtopics also will be there. So different topics will be there, so like that. Or if you are taking this as a today's class, let us take an example. Today's class is this is an example. So example one, like that. So tomorrow you are going to give another example, example two, like that. You can take note down this screen actually. Okay, then in some cases you will have some subgroups or subdivisions will be there, and in that case if you click on this other next section and this new section group, if you take, then you can see. And if you type some names, project one, then the subgroup will be that's ready. Okay, uh, so like that you can create some subgroups also. Okay, then if you want to create, so let us take, so today you took some example for this max class. Here I am discussing, let us take an example solely, example case. You can consider according to your work. In if you are working as a student, you will have different assignments for different subjects. So you can take this as a means for first subject. Let us take an example with respect to uh, let us take max. Let us take an example max for as a student. Next class you will have physics. The next class you will have chemistry, like that you will have. So like that you can create your own uh, notes actually. So this is an example. So you can write down your name, the note name. So this is project one. You can type what all things are there. Means you can write down the points. What is the thing which you are. So like that you can type any points here, and you can see here you can put, if different points are there, you can give highlight the points from here. If you are giving, so accordingly you can give uh, this which one is giving more importance, like that you can highlight the points. Then Then another feature, you can see that if you click on this option file menu, then go to this options, and you can see right now the background color, it is white. You can click on black. If you click on black, then you can see the background color changed. Okay, so again moving on to that option, then black changes to white, then again this is white. Okay, so accordingly you can change the background color also, there is no issue. Then you can see draw option. So as we are teaching or giving or explaining some concepts, you can take some diagrams like this way. Then if in some case forces are acting like so, very clearly you can explain those concepts to the students, or you can note down those pictures here. So this is an option for drawing all those things. Then insert command is there. So another interesting option is there. So let us take an example. I'll show you. Example 3. Just type example 3. So here different options are there. So file attachment. If you want to attach some documents, so let us take an example of presentation. So you can either attach as a file or insert printout. Means the complete document you can insert here. So that's another interesting feature. So all the presentation will be inserted here. Then spreadsheet, if you want to add some spreadsheet or pictures like that, you can. Then some links, then like that, all those things it is possible. Means you can, if this point link to somewhere, so you can add the address, so like that you can connect to that page also. That's also possible through this case. Then you can insert that table, of course. Then history view, if you want to see in full view, you can use in this option. So you can write down all those points in here very easily. You can explain those concepts, and you can, means this page will come, and if you move the cursor down, it will be come down. Okay, then another point, it is related with the share. Means you can share this as a email. Through email you can share this what all documents you have documented here. Then as a link to your friends, or the persons who are correcting this document, you can send to them. So there are different options to send. Okay, so this is all about this is a features related with this OneNote application. So those who are trying to work out any tutorials or trying to do any assignments in a proper or in a professional way, you can take this as a tool, professional tool. Okay, so this is all related with this this OneNote application. So those who are doing or work out any documents or any assignments or any other work related to, you can surely use this tool. So with this, I wind up today's section. So thank you so much.